How to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search. And for that, we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you doing it. So first of all, I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can apply this method. So open your favorite browser, then open Google Maps. Then you proceed to the search of Google Maps and you type the United States. Then you search for the United States because that's the market you are going to target in this method. So here, zoom in on the United States and choose one of the cities. So here, let's choose Washington, for example, here. Or let's choose another city, for example, let's choose Nebraska. Here, let's zoom in on Nebraska in here. And let's go to the search again and type the kind of business you want to look for. So here, let's go with gym, for example. And here, it took us to another place. As you can see, we have a lot of services shown in here, but we want the ones in Nebraska. So let's go to a different area like Alliance, for example. Let's zoom in on here and let's search for gym again to see if we are going to find gyms in here. As you can see, we find them. So here we have, as you can see, we have a lot of profiles of gyms, and we are going to choose the ones with less than 150 reviews and the ones that don't have sponsored written in their profiles, like for example like this one. So all of these are good for our method. So here, let's start with this one, and the first thing I want you to look for in their profile is the website. So I want you to see if they have a website or not. If they don't have one, we are going to create one for them. If they have one, we are going to check if it's up to date, if it's old or not very good. We are going to offer to renovate their website. So let's scroll down to see, wait for it to load. And here, let's scroll down to see. So here I see that this website is up to date. It's not that bad, but it won't need any renovations. So as you can see, it won't need any renovations. So let's close the website and let's move on to the next service, which is removing bad reviews. So let's see how many bad reviews they've got, and let's see if they would really accept our service, which is removing the bad reviews. So let's read this first bad review. It's a 2-star review. Gym was around 55 degrees, very cold, and couldn't get a pump or warm up properly. Very bad risk of injury. No drinking fountain, no locker rooms, no showers. Very small and quiet gym. Not worth the price compared to other gyms in the area, but is nice for people who don't like large crowded gyms. And this is the response from the owner. Hi Caleb, it sounds like you stopped by right after we took over the business from the previous owner. You have nicely replaced the heating cooling system in the weight room. So there is heat and AC. So as you can see, the owner is trying to compensate for this bad review. As you can see, it's from a local guide, and that's very bad for the business. It gives bad reputation. Let's see if we can find another bad review. So here, let's scroll down to see if we can find another bad review. Here we have all of these are 5-star reviews. but we are going to look in order to find another bad review. So let's scroll down. We have just only 5-star reviews, so that's the only bad review we've got. So you can just use that one in order to suggest the service to the business owners. And as I said in the beginning, you won't need any skill. So as I said, you won't need any skill. You'll just go to the search and you will type fiverr.com. Then you will come to this platform where you will be able to hire freelancers that are going to deliver the service that you're going to offer the clients. So if, for example, if this client pays you $100 or $200, you will come to fiverr.com. Then you will pay someone like this freelancer $25 to remove the bad reviews from the profile here in Google Maps. And also if they need a website, you will just go to the search and you will type website. Then you will search for freelancers that are doing those skills, such as creating a website. So here, let's just scroll down until we find a freelancer that is going to deliver a website for us for only $80, like this one here. So for example, if this client pays us $100, as I said, or $200, when you pay the first freelancer $25, then you pay the second one $80, that's $105 in total. Then you'll be left with $95 to put in your pocket without even learning any skill or without doing the hard work. You'll just outsource the job to the other freelancers. All you have to do is to look for business owners like Warehouse Fitness and others, then check their profile and see and find out the services that they would need. For example, like this one, they won't need a website, I guess. Let's check again. Here they won't need a website, they will only need someone to remove the bad reviews from their profile. And then you can check the other business owners and you can find the ones who need a website and you can deliver the website for them also. So I think, guys, you get the idea. The hardest thing in here is to find the first client, but once you land the first client, it will be easier. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.